Hi, I'm Helen and today we're visiting one of our clients on the north side of Wollert. As you can see, it's a beautiful sunny day and we're doing a solar installation for them. As you know, I have Chris here, who is one of our accredited installers. How are you, Chris?
Hi, how's it going?
Good. Explain to us a little bit the process of what you do on the installation day.
Okay, so first of all, we come out and measure the roof. We follow all our guidelines regarding CEC guidelines and our energy safe guidelines to make sure the job's all followed by procedure and complies with everything.
Thank you so much for your time, Chris. I better let you do your installation. Chris, who's one of our accredited installers who does all our solar installations and make sure that your solar system is in compliance with regulations to the Victoria standard. Please contact Hello Solar where we can assist you and guide you in the right way to purchase a solar system with Hello Solar.